Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 10.2 of chapter number 10, and name of the chapter is Practical Geometry. In this exercise, we will learn about construction of a triangle. Before constructing the triangles, we have to keep all the properties related to triangle in our mind. A triangle may be drawn if any of the following sets of measurements are given. If all the three sides are given, then you can construct the triangle. First condition is if all the three sides of a triangle are given to you, then you can construct the triangles. Next condition is two angles. If two angles of a triangle and the included side is given to you, then you can construct a triangle. Next condition is if two sides and the included angle is given to you, then you can construct the triangles. In right angle triangle, if the hypotenuse and a leg, in case of right hand triangle, are given to you, then you can construct triangles. If any one of these conditions are given to you, then you can construct triangles. But when you can construct a triangle with the given lengths of three sides, suppose three sides are given to you 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Here three sides are given to you and you have to construct a triangle. Before constructing the triangle, you all need to check whether we construct the triangle with the given sides or not. How can we check? We can check by using triangular inequality property. What triangular inequality property says? If sum of two shorter sides, if sum of two shorter sides is greater than the third side, then you can construct triangles. Here 3 plus 4 is, here shorter sides are 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 is 7 and 7 is greater than 5. Sum of two shorter side is greater than the third side. Then you can construct the triangle with the given sides 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Suppose if sides are given to you 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 8 centimeter. If sides are given to you 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 8 centimeter, then you have to check, can you construct the triangles with the given sides or not? You have to check the triangular inequality property. Here, two shorter sides are 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Sum of two shorter side is 7, but third side is 8. Here 7 is less than 8. It does not satisfy the triangular inequality property. So, we cannot construct the triangle. We cannot construct the triangle with sides 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Firstly, you have to check the condition. After that, if it satisfies the triangular inequality property, then you can construct the triangles. Let's take one more question. How can we construct triangles with the help of ruler and compass? Suppose sides are given to you 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter, and you have to construct the triangle XYZ. In this case, XY is given to you 3 centimeter. YZ is given to you 4 centimeter. And XZ is given to you 5 centimeter. And you have to construct the triangle. Firstly, with the help of ruler, you can take XY is equals to 3 centimeter. XY is equals to 3, 0 to 3. It is 3 centimeter. XY 3 centimeter. With the help of ruler, you have to construct YZ is equals to 4 centimeter. So you can open compass by taking one pinpoint at 0 and another needle at 4. In this way, you can construct 4 centimeter. One needle at 0 and another pencil point is at 4. Here it is 4 centimeter. So you can take needle at 4. Why? And you have to draw an arc in this way. In this way, you can draw an arc YZ 4 centimeter. Now XZ is 5 centimeter. So you can open compass with the help of ruler. You have to take one pinpoint at 0 and another at 5. In this way, you can open compass with the help of ruler 5 centimeter. One at 0 and another needle point at 5. Take needle point at X and draw an arc. Now you can extend this arc. It is XZ. Now join XZ and join YZ. Here YZ is 4 centimeter and XZ is 5 centimeter. In this way you can construct triangles when three sides of a triangle are given to you. Let's move to next condition. Suppose you have to construct a triangle ABC in which M angle A is equals to 85 degree and M angle B, it is given to you 115 degree and AB is given to you 5 centimeter. Here two angles and the included side is given to you. Here angle A is given to you 85 degree, angle B is given to you 115 degree and the included side is given to you 5 centimeter. Then you have to check, can we construct the triangle with these conditions or not? Here sum of two angles, angle A plus angle B. You have to sum of these two angles, 85 degree plus 115 degree. It is equals to 200 degree. It is equals to 200 degree. But we know that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So here two angles, sum of two angles is 200 degree. It is not possible. So we cannot construct triangle with this case. In this case, as sum of two angle is 200 degree, it is not less than 180 degree. You have to check the angle sum property. When angles are given to you, you have to check the angle sum property. What angle sum property says? Sum of three angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. If this condition is satisfied, then you can construct the triangles. Otherwise, you cannot construct the triangles. So, when constructing the triangles, firstly, you all need to keep in your mind the properties of triangles. First one is triangular inequality property. If sum of two shorter side is greater than third side, then you can construct triangles with the three given sides. Next, in case of angles, if sum of three angles is equals to 180 degree, or you can say if angle sum property is satisfied, then you can construct the triangles in case of angles. Let's do one question related to these properties. Let's start exercise 10.2 with question number 1. In this case, you have to construct a triangle ABC. Here AB is given to you 5 centimeter and BC is given to you 6 centimeter. AC is given to you 7 centimeter. Here three sides of a triangle are given. So you have to check whether triangular inequality property is satisfied or not. Here sum of two shorter sides is 5 plus 6. That is 11. 11 is greater than the third side. Triangular inequality property is satisfied. So you can construct the triangles with these conditions. Firstly, draw AB is equal to 5 centimeter. You can put here ruler with 0 and 5 centimeter. You can draw a line segment of AB. Draw a line segment AB of 5 centimeter. Now, here BC is given to you 6 centimeter. So, taking B as center and draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter. You have to open compass. You have to open compass of 6 centimeter. You have to open compass with 6 centimeter. Put taking B as center and draw an arc in this way. In this way, you can draw an arc of 6 centimeter. Draw an arc of 6 centimeter, taking B as center and radius of 6 centimeter. Here AC is given to you 7 centimeter, taking A as center and draw an arc of radius 7 centimeter. Open compass with the help of ruler 7 centimeter. Put needle of one point here A and draw an arc. In this way, draw an arc. It is 7 centimeter. Now, where these two arcs intersects at point C, now join AC and join BC. Here AC is 7 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter. You have to write the steps of constructions. First step is draw a line segment AB of 5 centimeter. Second step is taking B as center and draw an arc of 6 centimeter. Third step is taking A as center and draw an arc of 7 centimeter which cuts the previous arc drawn at point C. Now join AC and join BC. It is the required triangle ABC. In this way you can construct triangles. Thank you.